Hi, this is Maruful Khan Samit. Thank you for reaching out and expressing me all of your interests and mentioning all the points. Now let's explore about the points. Your first point was crawling and indexing. What is crawling and indexing? For the better understanding, suppose you have a website and you are the website owner. Now definitely you want to see your website's presence in Google search engine, but question is how Google will find your website and its all information. If your website and its all information is not be stored in Google data center, for that you have to go by a process. First of all, you have to submit your information to Google Search Console. How you will submit that? Using sitemap, you have to submit your all information to Google Search Console, and then Google will send a robot to your website to inspect all of your information on your websites. Now, sending a robot by Google to your website, we can crawl. The process is as crawling. After entering the robot to your website, that robot will inspect all of your data and information of your website, and which are legit. That robot will think which information like pages, videos and other information and data are legit. That robot will think it will take it to Google data center, and now we can call this particular information or pages has been indexed, and that is indexing. Now let's talk about your second point, Google sitemap and robot.txt. What is sitemap? Sitemap is such a file that lists all the pages of your website and tell Googlebot how your site is structured. It's like a roadmap. Following the sitemap, Googlebot crawls all the pages of your website to index. And another was robot.txt. It's also such a essential format that defines Googlebot which pages you do or do not want to be indexed. Some basic and important commands like allow and disallow are mainly used to communicate with Googlebot to index. Your third point was Google Search Console and about Google Analytics. So Google Search Console is a free web-based tools provided by Google that allows only website owners to monitor their website's presence in search engine results. It also provides valuable insights into how your site is being crawled and indexed by Google, and allows you to submit your sitemap also and monitor any crawling errors that may happen. Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a web analytics service offered by Google. It provides detailed statistics and analytical tool for website and app owners. For your better understanding, I am giving you few examples. Using Google Analytics, you can understand who are coming to your website and where they come from and how they are interacting with your website. It provides also information about demographic, geographic location, used phones, and more. You can also see how they are coming from, whether through social media, search engines, direct direct transforming and or uh, relevant from other websites. You can also monitor their behavior and conversion tracking, site performance, and able to get custom reports also. And finally, we are going to talk about Core Web Vitals. Core Web Vitals are a set of specific user-centric metrics that measure the performance and user experience of a website. It is like health check for website, and there are three factors for measuring all of that. Number one, largest contentful paint. Number two, first input delay. Number three, cumulative layout shift. Largest contentful paint measure how fast a web page loads. First input delay measures how quick user can interact with it, and cumulative layout shift measures how stable the page layout is. After fixing these three factors, your website will become fast, responsive, and stable website, not only for giving a better experience to your users but also performs in search engine results. So, for getting better, fit, and friendly website and to give a best user-friendly website your audience, definitely you must have to get the service Core Web Vitals. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.